All right, so identify the zeros, their multiplicity, and the effect of the multiplicity. So we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 10x squared plus 25x. To find the zeros, we have to factor. So we can take out a greatest common factor of x, which leaves us x squared plus 10x plus 25. So now we have to factor that trinomial using normal factoring. So two numbers that will multiply to 25 but add to 10 is going to be 5 and 5. So my factored form is x plus 5 and x plus 5. Okay. Then we set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So we'll have x equal to 0, x plus 5 equals 0. Oops. And x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x equals 0 is already solved. If we subtract 5 from both sides, we will get x is equal to negative 5. And then same thing over here. So the first 0 is 0. It's a multiplicity of 1, which means it only happens once. And since it's an odd multiplicity, it will cross the graph. Our next 0 is at negative 5. It has a multiplicity of 2 because it happens twice. It's an even multiplicity, so it will bounce on the graph.